So why did you build it in this way? Hey, I'm Hugo from Expeditionmeister.com. Today we're checking out this build by Dutch Overland.com by Eric. This is your plug and play overland vehicle.
Yeah, I wanted a compact vehicle, and I want to use Toyota Hilux. They have all the luxury, a new car. I want to be able to go off-roading, so I don't want a vehicle too big, and that's why I choose for the lifting top. It's very spacious when you lift. With this kind of setup, you still have a very compact vehicle, but it's still really spacious, and indoor living is also possible.
There's everything you need.
Everything is in it.
Amazing build. How long did it took you to build this one?
This is the first one I built, so it took me about 6 months, something like that.
How long would it take to build such a setup if it's either for a new Toyota Hilux or for any other car, if you have the right measurements? How long would it take?
Yeah, like 3 months it can take.
Okay, that's so short and plug and play ready to go again. So 80 liters of fresh water, I think. We have lithium batteries, we have solar panels on the roof, we have a toilet as well. This sink, stovetop, refrigerator, outdoor shower.
Yeah, this one is equipped with a diesel stovetop, which also functions as the heater. So we don't have any gas bottles in this vehicle. The diesel heater is plugged in the main fuel tank of the vehicle, and we don't have to worry about anything.
So the only thing you need to worry about is to have a driving license and there's some food in it, and then you're ready.
Of course. Put your beers in.
Yeah, just a few beers with you and just enjoy nature.